In this video, you will take a look at your search results. Now we'll take a closer look at how those results are organized, which will help you find the kind of results you're looking for quickly. You're probably on a page that shows all results. If you were to scroll down this page, you'll see all different types of search results. At the top of the page, you can see that the first results are ads. Ads are always marked with the word ads. Some businesses purchase online ads as part of their advertising strategy. The rest of the search results you see are called organic search results. These results are websites that most closely match your search query and may also take other factors into account, like your previous searches and location. Now take a look at the tabs at the top of your search results page. These tabs are labeled All, Maps, Images, Shopping, News, and more. Your tabs may be in a different order depending on what you searched for. These tabs are another way to help you find the kind of information you need. You're currently on the All tab, which shows you all the results that came up in your search. If you click Maps, you'll see a map showing the results of your search. In this case, the map shows event spaces in your area. The Images tab will show you images pulled from websites that came up in search results for your query. For this search, you will probably see photos of event spaces which you can click on to see websites. The Shopping tab shows you a group of things related to your query that are available to purchase. This tab makes it easy to compare and sort through various items for sale. If you click on the News tab, you'll see news stories that came up in the search results for your query. If you search for a local event space, you may see news stories about things that have happened in some of those event spaces. Click More to see more tabs. The order of your tabs will depend on which ones are most relevant to your search. Take a few minutes to click on different tabs and see how it affects the search results you see. Now it's your turn. Click on at least 2 different tabs and observe how it changes the search results on display. Then click Next to watch the final video of this lesson.